Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to submit health insurance documents to Allianz online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do in order to submit health insurance documents is simply head over and open up your browser. Then inside on the search bar type in Allianz login. Then once done, simply select one of the options and then tap on it, which will lead you to the homepage of the Allianz login portal. Then all you gotta do is enter in your username and then password, and once done, tap on login to log into your account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is scroll down on your dashboard and find claims, or if you don't find it, tap on the horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen and find the claims option and tap on it. Then inside, select your policy. If you have more than one policy, choose health insurance. Then next is to choose type of claim, example doctor visit, hospital bill, pharmacy, lab test, dental and other medical expense. Tap the correct one. Then next is to upload your documents by simply tapping on upload documents, which you can upload photos, PDFs and screenshot, and make sure the files are clear and readable. Then next is to fill basic details. You may be asked date of treatment, provided name, total cost, currency and short description. Simply keep it simple, and once all that's done, review it and then tap on submit or send claim and you will get a confirmation email. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.